man cannot live alone. Man needs love, care, affection, togetherness, funness, and company. And that is a prominent reason why we live in societies. Societies are not just a cluster of people living together, but people following each other's ideologies. Adding a bit of togetherness into it makes a complete society. But does that mean the society follows irrelevant practices and we also support that? With this, Namaste. This is Ayesha Ipsita Parida from S.B.D International School, Bhadrak, Odisha, and I am here to speak on the topic Boys versus Girls, Does That Matter? Over years, we have developed many new beliefs. With each changing era, there is a new tradition, custom, and notion. But I often wonder whether all of these are acceptable or not. Should we just follow them because they have been followed from a long time, or say centuries? Or maybe we just forget that all our conceptions may or may not be based on the correct principle. However, it is clear that all our practices that we follow are not wrong, but we need to update our state of mind according to the time. Nowadays, a big question mark put front to the society is whether boys and girls are to be given equal chances. People are still trying to find out the answer, and some people find reasons, unnecessary reasons, to stop girls. But I raise a question. Are boys born superior, or why are boys still considered to be superior than girls? Is it tradition or its nature? I completely agree. Mother Nature has given boys and girls a bit of different features. But why hasn't Mother Nature made boys intrinsically superior? Actually, boys and girls are equal in eyes of Mother Nature. But it is us creating a stereotype that boys are superior, boys are stronger and better than a girl. But let me tell you, it is just a stereotype that is not inborn but is taught down through the generations. But now our attitudes are changing considerably. Now we don't say a boy, "Why are you crying like a girl?" Nor we scold a girl, "Why do you have such a boyish charm?" Thanks to the term gender equality, which states both men and women are equal. And that is a prominent reason why many socialists are coming front to the society, explaining the society that both are equal. At last, I would like to say that the bar between girls and boys does not matter because it never exists. With this, thank you all. Have a nice day.